Is Acorns still free? Hook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, the popular investing app that lets you automatically invest your spare change. Acorns has been around for a while now, and it's become a really popular tool for people who want to start investing their money. But with so many different investing apps out there, it's natural to wonder if Acorns is still the best option for you. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Acorns still free? And if not, is it still worth it? Introduction. Before we get into the details of Acorns, let's take a quick look at what it is and how it works. Acorns is an app that automatically invests your spare change from your everyday purchases. So, for example, if you spend $5.23 at the grocery store, Acorns will round up to $6 and invest the extra 77 cents in your portfolio. This is a great way to start saving money without even thinking about it. Is Acorns still free? The short answer is no, Acorns is no longer free. However, the good news is that the fees are still very low. Acorns offers 3 different subscription plans. Personal, $1 per month. Family, $3 per month. Premium, $5 per month. The personal plan is the most basic plan, and it gives you access to all of Acorns' features. The family plan adds the ability to create up to 5 additional accounts for family members. The premium plan includes all of the features of the personal and family plans, plus access to a financial advisor. So, if you're looking for a free investing app, Acorns is no longer the best option. However, if you're willing to pay a small monthly fee, Acorns is still a great way to start investing your money. Is Acorns still worth it? Even though Acorns is no longer free, I still think it's a great app for people who want to start investing their money. Here are a few of the reasons why I think Acorns is still worth it. It's easy to use. Acorns is a very user-friendly app. It's easy to set up your account and start investing your money. It's affordable. The monthly fees for Acorns are very reasonable. It's a great way to start saving money. Acorns makes it easy to save money without even thinking about it. It offers a variety of investment options. Acorns offers a variety of investment options, so you can choose the best one for your risk tolerance. It has a good track record. Acorns has a good track record of helping people reach their financial goals. Of course, Acorns is not for everyone. If you're looking for a free investing app, or if you're not comfortable with automated investing, then Acorns may not be the best option for you. But for most people, I think Acorns is a great way to start investing their money. Conclusion. So, is Acorns still free? No, it's not. But is it still worth it? Yes, I think it is. Acorns is a great app for people who want to start investing their money in a simple and affordable way. If you're looking for an easy way to save money for your future, I highly recommend checking out Acorns. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, I encourage you to check out their website or download their app. You can also find a lot of information about Acorns on my blog. Thanks for watching. End script. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Acorns, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.